Traveling alone can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It allows you to immerse yourself in new cultures, challenge yourself, and create unforgettable memories. But it can also be intimidating and overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. That's why we've put together some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your solo adventure. First things first, packing. When you're traveling alone, you're responsible for all of your belongings, so it's important to pack light and efficiently. Choose a backpack that's comfortable and has plenty of compartments to keep your things organized. Next, consider your accommodation. Hostels are a great option for solo travelers because they're affordable, social, and often have activities and events for guests to participate in. But if you prefer more privacy, look for budget hotels or Airbnb rentals. When you arrive at your destination, take some time to get your bearings. Study maps, research public transportation options, and make note of any safety concerns. Remember, it's always better to be overprepared than underprepared. One of the best parts of traveling alone is trying new things. Don't be afraid to sample local cuisine, attend cultural events, and strike up conversations with locals. You never know what kind of amazing experiences you'll have. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Solo travel can be exhausting, both physically and mentally. Take breaks when you need them, prioritize self-care, and don't push yourself too hard. The goal of your trip is to enjoy yourself and make lasting memories. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well equipped for your solo adventure. Happy travels!